Hello everybody at Lucky Wheel Bingo. We're here in the Shed Steakhouse in Seaton and we're going to be doing a little magic trick for you guys at home and for these 6 here at the table. Now, the trick that I'm going to do is a card trick, and to do that I need cards. Now obviously we're advertising here for LuckyWheelBingo.com, so I've got a very special pack of Lucky Wheel Bingo cards, okay? So I'll open up the cards and I'll take the cards out, just like this. Oh, I need that one. Need all of them, that'll help. I'll chuck that down there and I can show you that the cards are in a completely random order. You can see they're just sort of a mix mash of cards, right? What we're going to do is we're going to take these cards and we're going to relate them to some predictions. Now I've made these predictions and I've written them down on these cards just here. Prediction 1, prediction 2 and prediction 3. Those 3 predictions are going to stay there on the table where you can see them for the rest of the trick, okay? But we'll get to those later. Basically what I want you guys to do is make sure that I've not cheated in any way. I'm going to give you half the cards each, or roughly half the cards each, about there, that's it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you that half and I'm going to give you that half, and I want you to shuffle the cards as best you can. Change the order completely. Shuffle them, that's it, just mess up the order basically. Now, whilst they're doing that, I'm just going to explain to you guys a little bit about probability. Now, there are 52 cards in a pack, but to predict an order of 52, it's a 1 in, I think it's something like 8,675,523 to 1. You know, it's pretty hard to predict an order. So that's pretty much what I'm going to try and do. I'm going to try and beat the odds and make it pretty much impossible, because if you take a top card and swap it with a card underneath, technically that's a completely different order. So chances are that anywhere in the world there are 2 decks of cards that are never in the same order, ever. Okay, so when you're happy with you guys how you've shuffled the cards, just pop them down on the table for me. We'll pop them down just over here. We'll take that one too. Put that there. Now what I want you to do is cut the cards in half. So take half the cards off the top and just pop them next to your pile. Now I want you both to pick one of those piles, but before you do, I'm going to tell you what's going to happen to it. The pile you pick is going to be turned facing the other way and then swapped with the other person's pile. So if you pick this one, it's going to be flipped over, and if you pick that one, it'll be flipped over, and they'll both be swapped, okay? So completely up to you. Pick a pile and just flip it over for me. Fantastic. Now what we're going to do, like I said, is we're going to swap this pile for this pile, just like this, okay? There you go. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to get involved with the shuffling, because I know how to shuffle quite well. I've been practicing it for a little bit of time. And what we're going to do is we're going to shuffle them in the wrong way, okay? So they're all in the wrong way, and these are going to go all in the wrong way, okay? Take these cards, shuffle them in the wrong way like that, and then we're going to shuffle the 2 piles together like this. So the entire deck is pretty much a big mess, to be fair. If you see, they're all facing the wrong way and then are in a completely random order, obviously because you guys shuffled them and then you cut them in half. I didn't know where you were going to cut them, and then we swapped them over and it's all a big mess. So what we're going to do now, all that shuffling has taken place, is turn to the first prediction. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to read it out. Now the first prediction says 21 face down cards. Now that's a face down card, so that means that 21 of these 52 are going to be face down. So we're going to count them out, okay? Ready? So that's 1. Good start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack. Sorry, that's habit. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So that means there's 21 face down cards. That's a traditional applause point, but I can wait. So what we're going to do now, oh thank you, got one. We're going to move these out of the way. We don't need these anymore. We're going to put them to the side there, and we're going to turn to our second prediction. Now the second prediction says that 9 of the cards are going to be black. So 9 black cards. So they'll be in a suit of either spades or clubs. So we'll have a quick look in here, okay? So that's 1. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh thanks, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 black cards. This is pretty impressive, that, isn't it? 9 black cards. But remember, we've still got one more prediction to look at. Prediction number 3. Now, this prediction says that the rest are hearts. So the rest of the cards in here are of the suit hearts. Now, what I'm going to need you to do for me is keep that there as a reminder. Go through all all of these cards individually and read out the card. So that's 3 of hearts, for example, and just verify for me that obviously I've got this completely right and that all of the cards are of the suit hearts.
Okay, you got 3 of hearts,
3 of hearts, 6 of hearts, 4 of hearts, 10 of hearts, 7 of hearts, 8 of hearts, Queen of hearts, 5 of hearts, Ace of hearts, Jack of hearts, 8 of diamonds, King of hearts. Right, so see, normally what happens is I spend so much time focusing on what's behind other people's ears that I forget about what's behind mine. So obviously we'll have a look at this last one, which is the final prediction, and it says, of course, except the 8 of diamonds, which is the last card.
Well done.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you for taking part, guys, and thank you for the people at luckywillbingo.com for having a watch and enjoying the video. And remember, stay lucky at Lucky Will Bingo. Thank you very much.